Well, hello everybody. It's Jenny. Come on in. We've got double dips galore this week. So we're going to talk about a couple of them. And we're going to do it in funky format. Because we're going to use the app. Because some folks don't quite understand the app. Especially if they're new to Dollar General couponing. So we're going to use the app to figure out ways to do these double dips. And you want to know. So come on in, please, and thank you. Share, share, share. YouTube's looking for 1,000 views per video, and for 1 week, we was whipping it. Well, we're not whipping it. So please and thank you. Just put it in your Facebook newsfeed with a little message that asks your friends to just pass it along. And of course, hopefully they'll just pass it along, even if they're not interested. Because somebody out there is. And again, who doesn't need more crazy friends? Yes, we do. So if you're not one of our crazy friends yet, go ahead and subscribe. That way you won't miss any of our daily deals or this incessant babbling. But this is what YouTube requires. So leave a comment. Of course, hopefully all of you know that by now. Not just for me, but all your creators. Because this is going out to all the creators. So you know. So please and thank you so much for helping us help you. And of course, let the video play all the way to the end, please. That's super important because YouTube watches those watch times. And that's what helps us get out there to help other people. So even if you got to let it play in the background, I truly appreciate and love you, my friends, for coming back, hanging out, and helping me help others. Because believe it or not, just you showing up and doing all that stuff, it helps other people. It helps the people on this channel. It helps people that we don't even know that it helps. Because hopefully by word of mouth, other people are passing this information on. So, I mean, if in the end, if you can save, and I have saved well over $500 to $600 in a year, for some of us, that just makes our ends meet. For others, it makes the difference in being able to afford some things. And for others of us, it's the difference between being able to have those other things. So, thank you very much again. And let's talk about this deal, because I need some assist. I don't normally do the spend 30, save 10 on your next purchase. And the reason being is I don't normally need this amount of stuff, but somebody out there does. Somebody out there still has room, and somebody out there needs this stuff. So we're going to tackle this deal. What I need your help with is, because I don't normally do this deal, I do know it's a spend 30, so we have to spend $30 out of our pocket. How well does this spend 30 work with your 5 off 25? Does it work well with the 5 off 25 if you do this on Saturday? Because that's what I have in mind for this. It will help you with an additional $5 in savings for this, and then give you hopefully your 10 off your next purchase for Sunday or the next week. So let's have a look at this deal. And there is so many P&G products. I mean, you can pick and choose what you need. I'm looking for items that simply have a coupon. Now, if you have something on here that you need that doesn't have a coupon, pick it up, because, I mean, your savings is going to pay for it. But these are just couponed items, and of course, at any of these items you can do any day of the week by themselves as a standalone daily deal. Now, always pads, not everybody needs the always pads, but if you need Pampers, that works with this as well. Okay? Keep an eye on your subtotal after coupons, not before. After coupons, because you must spend $30 out of pocket for this one to work. I do know that. So that means we have to spend $35 on Saturday. So when the $5 comes off, you're still spending $30. And the best way to do that is make sure all those items that you're getting is P&G products. Now here, we have a subtotal with coupons of $57.95. Okay. We've got $16.55 coming off of this. That's any day of the week. Okay. That is not Saturday. That is any day of the week. If it is Saturday, it is $21 coming off of this deal on Saturday. So let's have a look at the deal, and then we'll do some of the math. Now this is what I wanted to show you. In the app, when you pull up the Always pads, you will see under here where it says coupons, DG store coupons, save 10. Like I said, you don't have to do this on Saturday. You can do it any day of the week. If you need these items, this would be a great way to stock up, because 3 of these items would be giving you $20 back, okay? Because you'll get $10 in regular coupons off, and then you'll get your $10 back. So 2 of them is $30, and 1 more would be $45. And you would be getting 10, so you'd be paying $35, then you'll get your other 10 back, so you'd be paying $25 for, or $20, because you'll be getting your extra 5 as well if you do this on Saturday. If you do it on any day of the week, you won't get the extra 5. So, a big savings, guys. $20 is a big savings. Even though the out-of-pocket seems like it's kind of large. But these are the items that people use over and over. They have to get every month. So, this kind of savings is super important. And stock up also can be super important. But what I was going to show you is, you see here, it shows that it is attaching to the Save 10. Okay? Under this product here. Now, when we go to our list and pull up the same product that we selected, where it says deals available, you do not see that same coupon. Okay, my dilemma. I'm not quite sure if it will attach or not. So, if anybody out there has any information on that, if you can let me know, I'd truly appreciate it. However, I am going to leave it in the transaction. And of course, if I'm not in the store, so I can't scan the product to see if it comes up. But should that happen, and you're using the Always products and you're trying to do this deal, have something handy that you could trade it out with. I'm just saying. Our next item is our Febreze, and as you can see, that coupon comes up here. Puffs, multi-box, and the reason why school is right around the corner, and so is so many other things. So, Puffs. This one's a biggie, and you can do this one any day of the week, okay? Because, again, this is almost a scenario by itself. You've got several of the secret coupons. You've got 2 for $3 each on the whole body. So you could pick up 2 whole bodies and be at $26 and get $11 off on Saturday. Okay? On Saturday, $11 off on that $26 purchase. Pretty much buy one, get one, free. I mean, it's $1 or 2 more, but close enough for me. Okay, if you wanted to work this deal during the week. Of the same secret deodorant, but a solid and a spray, so you would see that we had the 2 coupons that were attaching. You don't have to do that. You can do 2 of the same, because both coupons attach to the same stuff. With these, that $10 off shows except for the Always pads. So I'm not sure if it's just not included in this type of deal. because it simply says on, well, it does say on select P&G products. So, the Always pads are not going to work more than likely with this deal, because it says select P&G products, and I do not see Always on their little logos. So we're going to have to replace that with either the Pampers that I had in there initially. That's some of the biggest coupons that we have. Or we'll have to replace it with a couple more items. Oh, Love's is included with this. Okay, we have a good coupon for Love's that would work with this. We can trade those out for Love's diapers if you should need diapers. But it looks like we're going to have to get rid of the Always. See, sometimes this is what we need friends for, so we can talk through stuff. Okay, this is the list of items that's eligible for that coupon, and supposedly some Always products are eligible, but they don't have a manufactured coupon. They've only got an offer and the store coupon. So when it comes to the Always products, just scan and see and make your own decisions. Alright, if you don't need diapers or Always pads, a lot of us don't need either one of those things, then you can, of course, do some Crest products, but you got a $2 off, and it's on a $5 Crest product, and some Mr. Clean. Or you can just go through the list yourself and pick and choose, okay? But basically what we're after is that $10 off your next purchase for as cheap as we can get it, and get our products as well. So we've got Crest Pro Health, Gum Detoxify and Restore. Got a $2 coupon for that. We got a bottle of $6 Mr. Clean. We got a $2 coupon for that. We got a $2 coupon for the Febreze, a $1 coupon on the Puffs, a $3 coupon on both Secrets, and then a $3 coupon on the razors. Now we are at $53.80. That is more than enough to get you where you need to go. Alright guys, we are barely there. We will be good with this deal right here, because it leaves us $32 after our 5 off comes off and all of our coupons, okay? Leaves you at $32 after everything comes off with your 5 off and your coupons and these taxes, because taxes is added to this bottom total. So you'll be good to go. You'll get your $10 more off, leaving you $22 out of pocket for all of these items. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. But the kicker on these items is the Secret deodorant is $26. So basically you're buying your deodorant and everything else will be absolutely free. Yes, that's a long explanation, guys. But some folks don't know how to work these like me. And, well, like I said, today I need your help. So you can see the savings are there. It's $16.10. Any day of the week is your savings, plus your 10 off, okay? So any day of the week, your savings is going to be $26.10. Or on Saturday, your savings is going to be $30-some-odd and change. So there you go, guys. That is the Save 10 off of 30 list. Thank you again, guys, for stopping by. Stay tuned. We've got another paper double dip deal that's going to be awesome for Saturday. And you know you want to know. I'll see you there. Blessings.